Hello friends, in the previous lesson we have studied about various saints of Maharashtra and their teaching. In this chapter I will put a light on our brave Maratha Sardars. Student, I am going to explain this chapter into two parts. Today we are going to study about the Maratha Sardars of the Maharashtra who are working in the kingdom of Adil Shah and Nizam Shah. Among all the Sardars, the Bhosles of Verul were very brave. The period of unrest. Students, here the meaning of unrest is the period of dissatisfaction. The saints preached devotion to God to the people living in Maharashtra, but at the same time, brave Maratha Sardars started showing their bravery. The Sultan of Adil Shah of Bijapur and Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar were constantly fighting among themselves, and they involved the armies of Maratha Sardars in their war. This created a period of unrest in Maharashtra. The brave Maratha Sardars. The Maratha Sardars were brave, means ready to face any danger situation. Tough, which means strong. Fearless, which means they were not scared of anyone, and also were loyal to their masters, which means they were honest. All the Maratha Sardars had their own private armies, and their armies was used by two sultans, for the sultans gave him employment. Sultans made him a Sardar and conferred upon him Jahagir. A Sardar who received such a Jahagir considered himself as a Raja. The famous Maratha Sardars at the court of Bijapur and Ahmednagar were Jadavs of Sindhkhed, Nimbalkar of Paitan, Ghorpades of Mudhol, Mores of Javli, and Bhosles of the Verul. There were many Maratha Sardars at the court of Adil Shah and Nizam Shah, but more famous among them were these five Sardars. Shivaji Maharaj's mother, Jizabai, was the daughter of Lakhuji Rao Jadhav of Sindhkhed. Now the next point is tradition of valor. Children, here the meaning of valor is a great courage in the face of danger, especially in the battlefield. The Sardar were enemies of each other. They always kept on fighting with each other. They never thought that we are so brave and we have tough army with us, and instead we should come together and fight against the Sultan and defeat them. The Sardars never thought of doing something good for their own people. The great courage in the battle and bravery was served in the interest of Sultan. While doing this, one good thing was done by the Sardars, which was they created a warlike spirit among the young. The young Maratha Sardars were ready to give up their life in the battle. Among the famous families of the Sardars, the Bhosles of Verul showed great bravery. Now the next point is the temple of Grushaneshwar. The temple of Grushaneshwar is located at Aurangabad in Maharashtra. It was about 400 years ago. The temple was falling into pieces and developed cracks in the wall. The priest who was looking after the temple also ran away due to bad condition of the temple. It was neglected by the devotee and felt sorry looking at the bad condition of the temple, and no one thought of repairing it. But one day a great devotee of Shiva visited the temple regularly, put flowers and bell on the lingam, and saw the bad condition of temple and thought of repairing the temple and bring it back to its original condition. Now there were light both inside and outside the temple. Who was this great devotee? Who did this? He was Maloji Raje Bhosle. Thank you.